Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to reset keyboard setting on Samsung phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. First of all, you go to setting, tap on this and scroll down here. You can see that general management. Tap on this icon. You can see that keyboard list and default. Tap on this icon. And next tap on this Samsung keyboard. And go down. You can see that reset of default setting. Tap on this. Now already you can see that reset keyboard setting. And you can see that reset. Tap this icon. This way you can easily reset Samsung keyboard. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.